Hey guys, it's Average Joe back with another video, and today we have kind of a different, scenery and format. It's because this package is a little larger than what I'm usually used to, so I needed a bigger space. But today we're looking at the Lectron cabin air filter replacement. This is for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. I do have a Model 3. It's a 2024 Model 3, and they did reach out to send me this. Here's some instructions, and here are some stats about it, just to let you know, in case you're curious. There's a QR code if you need to contact them. But yeah, this is something that I've been using actually for about a week and a half now, maybe 2 weeks. I actually, this is currently installed in my car. I wasn't able to do it myself because I saw the instructions on how to do it, and I just personally wasn't confident that I could install it on my own without breaking something. So my car was recently in an accident, so it was in the shop, and I actually asked them, like, hey, while you guys are doing the repairs, would you mind installing this for me? I'll pay the extra stuff out of pocket for you guys to install it. They said yes. So I have been using it for about a week and a half, and I'm gonna say it's been great. Like sometimes when you install new cabin air filters, there's a slight, not odor, but like a smell that's specific to the filter. You need to kind of wait a minute to get it out, but there's nothing like that. So you get two in here. I only have one in here because there's one installed in the car, but as you can hear, it does have that what I believe they're like charcoal, to give that extra filter, so that the air in your car is really good. And what you get is, there you go. If you subscribe, you get 15% off, and there's just some more information for you guys. And then you get the little pamphlet, informational stuff. And what's great is they give you the tools. So I believe this one is because you have to remove the panel under the glove compartment, and then this one is to remove the screws and the middle console side panel. If you do want a link on how to change this out yourself, I will link it below. But yeah, like I said, they give you everything that you need, and they give you two in this box. So I think for what you get, the value is amazing. And yeah, I've had no issues using it right now in my car. It's been, I guess, filtering the air great, because there's no smells coming through the filter in the car, and just the air itself in general, it's been great. I haven't really noticed anything bad going on in my car. So yeah, that's just my quick little review on this air filter. I want to thank Lectron again for sending this out for me to review and show you guys. I'll have an affiliate link below, so if you do want to get this, use that link. Again, for the price, you're getting two. I think right now it's probably one of the best deals on the market right now. So yeah, and I'll have an install video link down below as well, because like I said, I saw the video and I'm just not confident doing it on my own, so I had someone else install it. But ever since then, my car has been running great. The air in the cabin has been great as well. No issues, no complaints. Again, thank you, Lectron. Take it easy.